what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little bit of a Rent the Runway haul slash review. I just got in my second round of rentals for this month, and I will say the first 5 I really loved, and I love everything probably more on this round than even the first round. This video is not sponsored at all. These are all my own opinions. I just love the brand so much, and I love promoting ways that you can embrace sustainable fashion if maybe thrift shopping isn't your thing. So like I said, I got 5 pieces. The first one that I got is this stunning maroon burgundy jacket. It's like shearling and then it has leather. It's just like a little bit of a cropped. I like where it hits, buttons in the front. It's from the brand Peter Som. Had never heard of before, but after this, I'm like obsessed with Peter Som. I hope I'm saying that right. We all know that burgundy and maroon is like the color of the season, and I love this. I am so into fun statement jackets. Like I think in the fall and winter, all you really need is like a good pair of jeans, some fun shoes, and a good jacket. I love this one. It's so cozy and warm, super cute. Personally, I think the best thing about Rent the Runway is that not only is it sustainable, it also helps your budget. It helps you find your style while you're on a budget. It helps me with like my little designer fix because I'm a Taurus. We like the finer things in life, but my bank account doesn't. And so being able to wear these beautiful designer luxury high quality pieces on a monthly rate is phenomenal. This jacket alone retails for $425. The next thing I got is actually this beautiful dress. I just wore this to a wedding that we went to. It is this amazing high quality. It's like heavy ribbed brown maxi. It's got 2 slits in the side and it has these really pretty like flare sleeves. I love a good flare sleeve, a nice mock neck detail. It's such a thick ribbed. It's from the brand Line and Dot. I rented this in an extra small, so I sized down, and I'm glad I did. I think it fit really well. Rent the Runway is great for things like weddings where, let's say you want to wear a really beautiful dress, but you don't want to fork out like $300, $400, $1,000 and let it sit in your closet. Just rent them. This brown dress retails for $129. Not the most expensive, and the great thing about Rent the Runway is if you really like a piece that you rented, you can buy it at a discounted rate since it is considered secondhand and used. I got another dress, and this might just be my favorite dress that I've ever put on my body. This burnt orange color is absolutely phenomenal. Long sleeve, square neck, this really high quality ribbed material. I think it's Tosin. It's their collab with Rent the Runway. Again, I sized down to an extra small. This dress is so phenomenal, guys. I wore it in New York and it was just such a moment. It's so comfortable and so flattering, and it retails for $325. It's stunning. I think I could probably buy it if I wanted to. I just don't think my bank account would appreciate me spending $300 on a dress right now. This color is so stunning. This might be one of my favorite colors that I ever wear. This is also from Peter Som. It is this stunning like off the shoulder cream colored knit sweater. It's fitted. It fits really well. I love the sleeves. I love an off the shoulder moment. The rib, you can tell it's just such amazing quality. This I wore literally maybe every single day that we were in New York because it was so cold and rainy and I was not packed accordingly, but I did have this. And I just think that like an off the shoulder asymmetrical neckline paired under jackets or something is so cute. It's just a little bit of an elevated detail, and this top retails for $240. Pricey, but the quality is so good. I also would love to buy this, but I just cannot justify spending that kind of money retail on this right now, even though I love it so much. So I'm actively looking for a dupe, or maybe I will hunt this down on Poshmark or something. This whole round of rentals has just blown my mind. I also rented this dress, and this is what I was originally going to wear to the wedding. This is the brand McDougal, and first of all, I did not wear this to the wedding. The wedding was formal and I thought this would be the way to go, but then I talked myself out of it and told myself that it was just gonna be too much. So I never got to wear it, but I still think I wanna go like take pictures in it because it's so cute. I love the color combo, this like pink and red and navy, and the quality of this is just so freaking phenomenal. I wish you guys could feel this through the screen, but this is the perfect example of like a really beautiful expensive dress that you would only wear once, let's say to a wedding or some kind of event that you do not want to pay full retail price on, because how many times are are you going to wear a dress like this with a giant skirt? You're just not. And so renting it is 100% the way to go. I just love it. I think it's the most beautiful dress. I am just amazed at how well it fits me. I love the neckline. It's so flattering, the thick straps. It is absolutely stunning, and I'm sad that I didn't get a chance to wear it out anywhere. I think it's just so beautiful. And that dress retails for $498. So it's a $500 dress. It also has pockets, I think. Yes, it does. God, I love when like an evening dress like this has pockets. Like that is just so thoughtful on the designer's part, and also so convenient for me. I hope you guys like this video. I highly recommend that you check out Rent the Runway. Again, not sponsored. I just truly am such a huge fan of the brand and the idea of it all. I'll have all the links down below. Plus, I will also leave my like affiliate link down there for you. I believe you get 35% off your first month if you use my code or my link. So I will leave them down in the description for you if you want to try it out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.